Did you know the microwave oven was invented completely by accident? Percy Spencer, a self-taught engineer working on radar technology during World War II, noticed something odd. A chocolate bar in his pocket had melted from the energy waves. Fascinated, he tried the same with popcorn kernels, and they popped. Spencer realized he'd stumbled upon a new way to heat food. His accidental discovery changed kitchens forever, and the microwave was born. If surprising stories like this spark your curiosity, hit subscribe and uncover more with Curious Nation.